Today let's talk about something way more valuable than hustle. Your time. 10 GPT prompts that can literally save you hours every single week. Let's be honest, most of us don't need more productivity hacks. We need fewer decisions, fewer tabs open, fewer things to keep in our heads, and that's where GPT comes in. Not as a trick, not as a hustle, but as a second brain that thinks with you. The problem is, most people use it like a toy. They ask it for jokes or quotes or what to eat for dinner. But what if you could use it to get your brain back? Not just to save time, but to clear space, to get back energy, to stop juggling everything on your own. That's what this video is about. We're not going to talk about how to start a business or build a tool. We're going to talk about how to use AI to help you live better, starting right now. Because the real win isn't using AI to make more noise. It's using it to create more calm. So here are 10 prompts that save you time. But more than that, they save your attention. Let's start with the first one. Prompt 1, the fix, my day reset. You know those mornings where everything's off? You woke up late, you're already behind, and somehow, your to-do list has 19 things, but none of them feel like a priority. This is where most people freeze, or they waste an hour just figuring out what to do first. But with GPT, you can throw it all in, messy, unfiltered, no judgment, and get back a simple, calm plan. Here's what you ask. Tell GPT, I'm overwhelmed. Here's what I need to get done today. Then you list everything. Work tasks, errands, calls, even picking up dog food. Then say, help me structure this into a realistic 4-hour work block with breaks. Prioritize based on energy, not just importance. And just like that, it breathes structure into the chaos. It doesn't just save you time, it gets you moving again. Because when you're overwhelmed, what you really need isn't motivation, you need a map. Prompt 2, the dinner without thinking planner. It's 5:43 p.m. You're tired, you've answered too many emails, and now someone asks the dreaded question, what's for dinner? Your brain short circuits. You could scroll recipes, or open 5 different apps, but here's a better move. Ask GPT, I have chicken, spinach, a can of black beans, and 0 patience. Give me 2 quick meal ideas, 1 pan if possible, and a shopping list for anything I'm missing. And just like that, the decision fatigue is gone. It gives you options, instructions, even the grocery add-ons. You could take it further. Ask for low carb. Ask for picky eaters. Ask for fast cleanup. It adapts to what you need, not the other way around. It's not just dinner, it's one less mental loop to run. And that's the real win here. GPT doesn't just give you ideas. Sometimes the hardest part of the day is writing a simple message. Not because it's complicated, because you don't want to sound cold, or too emotional, or weird. Maybe it's a follow-up to a client. Maybe it's a message to your kid's teacher. Maybe it's an awkward birthday text you've been putting off. So here's what you do. Tell GPT, I want to say this. Then you write the raw version. Doesn't have to be polished. Doesn't even need punctuation. Then say, turn this into something clear and kind, professional but warm, keep my original meaning. And it does. You hit copy, paste, send, done in 60 seconds. You didn't waste 15 minutes second-guessing every sentence, and you didn't avoid it, which means no guilt later. Ever look at your desktop and see 73 random files, 12 folders called stuff, and screenshots you don't even remember taking? That clutter costs you more than storage. It slows you down every time you need to find something. So, try this. Paste the list of file names into GPT and say, group these into 3 to 4 clear categories. Suggest folder names and which files should go where. It gives you instant clarity. Then you can even ask, Write me a 3-step plan to clean this up in under 30 minutes without getting overwhelmed. It'll break it down. Prioritize what matters. You follow the plan, one folder at a time. And just like that, your computer stops feeling like a garage and starts feeling like a workspace again. GPT isn't magic, but used well, it can make you feel 10 pounds lighter, just by helping you get out of your own way. Prompt 5. The decision helper. Sometimes it's not the big stuff that wears you out. It's the constant decision-making. Should I renew that subscription? Do I need this insurance? Is this the right course to take? You don't want someone to decide for you. You just want help thinking it through clearly. So you ask GPT, I'm trying to decide between these two options, then explain what you're comparing, what you're unsure about, and what matters most to you. Then say, help me think through the pros and cons like a coach would, short and honest, no fluff. It gives you clarity without trying to be right, and sometimes that's all you needed. You walk away not with a decision, but with confidence in how you made it. That alone can save you hours and a lot of second guessing. That's usually not a motivation problem, it's a planning one. So on Friday, or Sunday if that's your style, do this. Tell GPT, here's what I have coming up next week. Then list everything that's on your mind. Appointments, tasks, anything half-finished. Then say, give me a simple weekly plan. Group the work into 3 focused themes. Make Monday feel easy and productive. What you get back is structure. You start your week already in motion, not stuck in planning mode. And you already know what matters most. This one prompt doesn't just save time. It makes your entire week smoother, before it even begins. And the best part? Once you use it once, it gets easier. You don't dread Monday anymore, you kind of own it. So instead of avoiding it or trying to fix everything at once, try this. Ask GPT, here's my current financial situation. Then share it like you're venting to a friend. Rent, subscriptions, income, debt, whatever's on your mind. Then say, help me spot 3 simple ways I could clean this up. Prioritize things that reduce stress, not just save money. GPT gives you ideas, structure, and starting points. It's not financial advice, it's just mental cleanup. You don't walk away with a perfect plan, you walk away with momentum, and that's what matters. But if you're like most people, you've got half a dozen things bouncing around in your head right now. Stuff you need to do, stuff you meant to follow up on, stuff you don't want to forget, so don't. Just ask GPT, I need to offload what's on my mind. Turn this into a clean list I can reference later. It's like having a second brain, one that listens, sorts, and gives it back to you when you're ready. You can even say group this by urgency and type, personal, work, errands, reminders. Now your thoughts have a home, and your brain can rest. Planning a call, writing an email, showing up for that one conversation you've been dreading. So instead of hiding or powering through, try this. Tell GPT, I have this thing coming up. Help me get mentally ready. Remind me what matters and give me a sentence or 2 I can lead with. It doesn't fix everything, but it gives you a place to start. Sometimes that's enough to walk in with less anxiety and more control. Not to recap what went wrong, but to make sure your brain doesn't carry it all into tomorrow. Ask GPT, here's how today went, then describe it. The good, the bad, the unfinished. Like a voice memo to yourself. Then say, turn this into a 3-line summary. 1 thing I did well, 1 thing to improve, and 1 small thing to try tomorrow. It's not therapy, but it is reflection, and done consistently, this one prompt can quietly shape your mindset and your momentum. The real win? You're not using AI to get ahead. You're using it to get your time back, your energy back, your peace of mind back. That's the shift. Not prompts that sound smart. Prompts that make life easier. Because at the end of the day, you don't need more hustle. You need more space. And these prompts? They're a start. Like the video if you felt one of these hit home. Drop a comment with your favorite GPT prompt or one you're going to try, and subscribe for more real-world AI ideas, built for everyday life. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. While GPT can be helpful, its responses aren't always accurate, complete, or safe. Always double-check information before acting on it, especially for health, finance, or personal decisions. Use common sense and treat AI like a smart assistant, not a perfect expert.